This quick review will provide a brief introduction of the DFMPro application within NX. This design for manufacturing application enables users to execute checks on a given model that evaluates the design for manufacturability. The application is built on NX Checkmate framework and can make use of the HD 3D user interface for communicating results. DFMPro provides checks for a variety of different manufacturing applications, such as assembly, casting, die casting, injection mold, sheet metal, milling and turning, and composite. These icons execute profiles, which are a group of checkmate checks. There are 146 out-of-the-box checks that can be selected. DFMPro also provide a help documentation and design for manufacturing best recommendations or guideline for each of the industry standards. Once a pulling direction has been defined for this injection molding part, manufacturability check has been run against its design. Many design features pass with a green check mark. However, notice the HD 3D failure tags are displayed indicates area of focus. HD 3D tags are persistent and allow the user to interrogate this model more in depth. Notice by expanding that more detailed information is available. Another way to review and analyze result is by using DFMPro Advanced Result Viewer. Just simply click on the check name display. It will highlight the focus feature on the screen. An information window will display the standard or recommendation and how the design does not meet that requirement. Selecting any of these failed design feature and right mouse button to capture the image. Add any comments for clarification. That text with the image will be used in the DFMPro report later. Users can also review industry best practice by selecting help, where industry recommendations are listed and detailed explanations are provided. We see that there are other fail areas. We can also use the same checks, results, and recommendation for rework. In reviewing the design rule for manufacturability, this access typically falls under the company's CAD/CAM administrator or a super user and should not be accessed for edit by any other users. Best practice that are developed within the company would edit and alter the rule manager results to meet the company's manufacturing best results. Users can also access the help file where we can quickly review the industry standards. As we review this DFM rule managers, we see that majority of these checks has been selected, which will be utilized to run against this particular check. And then now we know that these rules has been applied. Let's go ahead and see what kind of results that we will get from running this DFM check. The report is generated in an Excel format where detailed information regarding whom, when, and what version NX is used are listed on the first page. Other rule failures are listed and hyperlinked into other pages on a detailed description of the failure. This concludes our demonstration.